Hello guys, good evening, welcome to my vlog. I see it's cooking time. I cook paksiw tuna. Pero tuna paksiw or tuna stew in vinegar. I just put salt, black pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and I'm gonna marinate my chicken for fried chicken tomorrow. I put I squeeze lemon. Anyway, I need to put one whole lemon. But before I marinate this one, I rub salt and lemon also so that the langsa chicken, I forgot what we call that, langsa in English, the langsa in English, malangsa, to remove a little bit the smell of the chicken before I wash it so many times, and rub salt, squeeze lemon, and then when I marinate with the lemon, a little black pepper ground, and salt. I marinate this overnight. Tomorrow I'm gonna cook fried chicken. This is my menu tomorrow, fried chicken with I put only little black pepper because the black pepper is spicy. The kids don't like spicy food. And a little bit salt. Then it's good if I marinate this overnight so that the flavor of the meat will, the flavor of the marinade is going to inside the meat of the chicken. This is my for fried chicken tomorrow. I done marinate this one. I need to put it inside the fridge or wrap. Here's my chicken marinated chicken and my tuna, paksiw tuna, or tulingan in Tagalog. Here's my chicken. Then overnight marinate. I marinate this overnight and I'll cook this tomorrow. Before I fry the chicken tomorrow, I need to dip it in egg and also mix corn flour and all-purpose flour. After dipping the egg, I'll dip it in the flour and then fry it. The flour is the breading for the fried chicken. Anyway, my tuna is almost cooked. Paksiw tuna. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.